Welcome once more to yet another episode on your popular program on WAP Television. This time around, still on the Nature's Corner, where we make use of food materials to manage various intractable diseases. The array of products that we have here are products that we have eaten as Nigerians for thousands and thousands and thousands of years without any side effects. We don't put chemicals, we don't add any chemical admixtures, no form of preservatives in this chemical, and there are no side effects. They are free and yet very, very, very effective. Communicable and non-communicable disease is our specific area of research. And more specifically, we cannot be tired of talking of high blood pressure, which is otherwise known as hypertension. We refuse to say we will not be tired because the non-communicable disease account for over 63% the cause of death in the entire world. And one of the most popular area is high blood pressure and high sugar level, that is diabetics and high BP. In our Nature's Corner, the whole of these materials are used in various ways to bring down high blood pressure within the home setting, within the kitchen setting. Here, right here, you can see powder. We decided to use powder today. This powder is made out of papaya, which is pawpaw. It's manipulated along with these materials, hot spices here, to bring down high blood pressure without any side effects. That is for papaya. Here, you have the Moringa oleifera, the leaves and the seeds, which is manipulated along with ginger and sweet potatoes. When this is manipulated, it brings down the blood pressure. That is when the Moringa oleifera leaves, when its seeds are manipulated. This is how the cyst comes out in. We will be able to get a high BP lowering product that has no side effects. When garlic is fired to 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams, purely on its own, can bring down the blood pressure. Water leaf, which is a common occurrence for us, water leaf and bitter leaf, well manipulated, brings down the blood pressure without any issues. Flavonoids are the major active ingredients here, and other phytochemicals that are even yet to be discovered. But we know that the combination works and bring down cholesterol. Well, the role of cholesterol in high BP cannot be overemphasized. What is high BP? High BP is the pressure exerted by blood while passing through the various blood pathways. And the pathways could be in the aorta, it could be in the arteries, it could be in the capillaries or arterioles, anywhere blood finds itself. The pressure it exerts while it moves through those locations are referred to as high blood pressure. When it goes freely, there will be no pressure. But when it goes with difficulties, when the pathway is coated with triglycerides, is coated with high cholesterol, then you see that there's a resistance when the blood passes. Is that resistance that is measured by way of high BP or low BP? So cholesterol plays a major role because cholesterol used to cover the aorta, that big artery that brings out blood from the heart. Once it is narrowed, and most people that have dysfunctional erection also have narrowed blood vessel within their reproductive organ. that makes blood not to rush there, and that makes their reproductive system to be weak in terms of performance. So people that suffer from high BP, people that suffer from high cholesterol level, high triglyceride level, people that suffer from diabetics and co, intricately they have high cholesterol level, and therefore they have dysfunctional erection. They are unable to perform as a result of this ailment. Now we move to guava. Guava, same common fruit that's found everywhere. The leaves are prominently contain very high fiber, and when we take high fiber diet, it has effects in cancer, it has effects in cholesterol, it has effect in the sugar level, it has effect in high BP, and this one is the powdered form of this which we use. You know, it deals with cholesterol headlong when you manipulate it with legume. The legume could be beans, could be red, black beans, or more popularly the soya beans. Every human being has coenzyme 10. What role do they play? They play the role of perpetually keeping you out of stroke. But when you drink a product that now comes to lower it, it creates problem for you. It allows your homocysteine, which builds up and causes most of the deaths in the world are traceable to very high level of homocysteine. And anything that promotes it shortens one's life. So this is very, very important that we take this. And the almighty celery, which we have shown you, the crunchy-like celery, is a masterpiece when it comes to issues of high BP, because salt for blacks is a major component, it's a major issue for high BP, because we blacks find it very, very difficult to control our sodium. So sodium is the issue in high BP. And with celery, whose powder is here, celery, it goes a long way to neutralize the sodium. And our diet, Nigerian diet, world over, a lot of diets has a lot of salt content. The salt of celery will now be applied in place of the normal salt, so that you kind of reduce the salt content of most of the food you take, and that will go a long way to guide your BP not shooting up always. So this salt, we will work and get it certified by NAFDAC, and we get the protocol ready for the market. Since it has a blood lowering effect, it can be used in place of the normal salt, and it will be the first of its kind anywhere in the world. Then as we come home to tamarind, tamarind is not easy to convert tamarind into a powder the way we have done it here. This tamarind has the capacity to lower cholesterol, but for you to get it in this form, you may have to dry it for as close as 3 months to get to this powder, because it's a very slimy, very oily, very, very difficult to dry. But we were able to get it, tamarind, Semia, the popular name. So you can see the things you overlook, the things you look down in the home setting can deal a lot with high blood pressure. The celery has high capacity to remove water, edema, from high BP patients. And generally, over 20-30% of kidney diseases as a result of diabetes, as a result of high BP. And once you are on this natural product, you will not even develop edema, because it keeps your water balance always very steady, and not allowing one to outplay the other potassium-sodium balance. So our viewers, this is the much we can take on high blood pressure, which is related to diabetes, which is a major killer. And then the issue of non-communicable disease, we have always emphasized, we can never be tired of it, because It constitutes over 60% the cause of death in the world, along with its brother of diabetes, chronic kidney disease, asthma, arthritis, stroke, ulcer, and cancer. They are a major killer of human beings all over the world.